Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a new lipstick swatch review, first impressions on these new Loreal Balmain, however you pronounce it. I don't know. Balmain, I think it is. Lipsticks with Loreal. So I'm going to be testing out two of them. Can we talk about the packaging? Let's just pause for a second. But nevertheless, you guys are going to see my thoughts on these and what I think about them, first impressions. I'm not sure the exact date that they'll be released in Ulta, but I will have Ulta's website down below so you guys can get your hands on it. So if you want to see how these swatch, then keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And let's go ahead and get into all about these lipsticks. So the packaging though is amazing. You guys can see that. So this is the blue and gold one, and then classic gold and black. So I'm going to swatch the black and gold packaging first. This one is a red color. It is called Domination. Colors are on the bottom of the packaging itself. Now when I first saw these, I was like, okay, these could possibly be dupes for Pat McGrath because of this particular package, this particular one right here, the gold, the black, the red lipstick, you name it. So I'm going to go ahead and see what this is given. So this is the beautiful red. It is called Domination, and this is what it looks like. Now let me swatch it on my hand for you guys. As I'm trying it on, it is super creamy, super creamy. That's what it looks like. Super creamy. It doesn't give me a matte finish automatically, because it does say that they are matte, but they smell really good. They smell sweet, not like vanilla or anything, just almost like candy. It smells really good, but the packaging is what made me grab these so fast. So I just grabbed two to try them out. It is comfortable on the lip. They do have a sheen finish, and they are pretty creamy on the lip. So I'm going to move on to the next color. So the other color that I picked up is in the color Power. It is in this blue packaging. These packagings on these lipsticks are so freaking cute. So I'm interested to see how this color is going to look. And this packaging is in the marble blue and gold. The other one was the marble black. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Oh, this one is like a smoky grayish pink color. You guys can see that. So I'm going to try this one on as well. And this one is Power. Now I can say off the bat with this one, I had to swatch it a few times to get the color payoff that I wanted. It is a smoky purple, almost grayish. I thought it was chocolate in the packaging, but it's like a chocolatey grayish color. It's a cute color. If you've been following me long enough, you know that I love mattes. I love a matte lip. This one is giving me more sheen. The aftermath of these lipsticks have a sheen on top of it. They're not as matte as I would have wanted them, but they're still comfortable in the lip. They smell tropical and sweet. They do retail for $13.99. I will link all of that information down below. But you guys let me know what you think about these two colors. This one that I have on right now is the color Power, and the red one that I tried on is in the color Domination. Let me know if you heard of these, if you saw them, if you purchased them, if you tried them. Let me know down below. I do kind of like this color in Power, but we'll see. So you guys have to let me know what you guys think. That is the two L'Oreal and Balmain lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick initial review, first impressions, they are not like the Pat McGraths. I think the Pat McGraths are more matte. These glide on really smoothly. They are creamy. They have a sheen consistency on top. It gives you like a sheen. It's not a drying matte or anything like that. So like I said, I'll link all that information down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already before you leave, and turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.